Friends, welcome to the fifth episode of the series Bird Watching Aquatic Birds. I'd like to share a few interesting things about some of the aquatic birds, such as grey herons, stilt cormorants, and Indian pond heron. The grey heron is one of the largest and most graceful wading bird. It is recognized by its grey body, white head, and a black strip, long neck, and a sharp yellow bill and long necks. It is widely distributed across Europe, Asia, and Africa, including many parts of India. Grey heron inhabit freshwater lakes, rivers, ponds, reservoirs, marshes, mangrove swamps, estuaries, and coastal wetland. They prefer shallow water where fish and other aquatic animals are abundant. They are also seen in agriculture fields, canals, and village tanks. An adult grey heron stands about 100 centimeters tall with a wingspan of almost 195 centimeters. It has long legs for wading, a long S-shaped neck, and a strong spear-like bill used for catching the prey. The grey heron is a patient hunter. It stands motionless or walks slowly in shallow water before striking its prey with lightning speed. Its diet includes fish, frog, crab, shrimp, insects, snakes, lizards, tadpoles, and occasionally small mammals and birds. In India, the breeding season begins from June to September, although the season varies with rainfall and local climate. In other regions, breeding often begins in late spring also. The female bird normally lays about 3 to 5 pale blue color eggs. Both parents incubate the eggs for about 28 days, and after hatching, the chicks are fed by regurgitation and remain in the nest for about 6 to 8 weeks until they are able to fly. Some of the interesting features about grey heron bird is that they are having excellent eyesight that enable to detect its prey even in murky water. Its neck folds into an S shape before striking the prey. It can remain perfectly still for a long time while hunting, and it flies with its neck folded back and legs stretched behind. The grey heron is a magnificent wetland bird admired for its patience, graceful flight, and remarkable hunting skills. By conserving wetlands, we help ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy this beautiful bird. The pond heron is a small and stocky bird found across South Asia. It blends perfectly with dry grass and reeds, appearing brown when resting but showing brilliant white wings during flight. Pond heron commonly seen around ponds, paddy fields, marshes, canal, lakes, and village wetlands. Grey heron, purple heron, and pond heron are the different varieties of heron birds, and they generally prefer to live near shallow water where fish and other aquatic animals are abundant. Healthy wetlands provide nesting sites, food, and protection from predators to these heron birds. Pond heron is a patient hunter. It stands motionless or walks slowly through shallow water before striking quickly with their sharp bills. Their diet includes fish, frog, insects, crabs, shrimps, lizards, snakes, tadpoles, and other small rodents. In most parts of India, breeding usually occurs during monsoon and post-monsoon months, generally from June to September, although the time varies with rainfall and local conditions. Pond heron usually breed in colonies, and these colonies are called as heronaries. They build stick nests in trees, bushes, or dense reeds near water. Both male and female birds participate in nesting. Females typically lay 3 to 6 pale blue or greenish eggs. Both parents incubate the eggs for about 24 to 30 days depending on the species. After hatching, the chicks are fed by regurgitation. The adults protect, warm, and feed the chicks until they are ready to fly, usually for about 6 to 8 weeks. Pond herons are excellent camouflage that helps them avoid predators. Their long neck folds into an S shape before striking the prey. They have exceptional eyesight for spotting the movement. They can remain perfectly still for several minutes while hunting. Herons play an important role in maintaining healthy wetland ecosystem by controlling population of fish, frog, and insects. Pond herons, grey herons, and purple herons are remarkable wetland birds admired for their patience, graceful flight, and hunting skills. Conserving wetlands is essential to protect these beautiful birds and the rich biodiversity that depends on these habitats. Friends, the video is already about 7 minutes or more than 7 minutes. So I would like to cover the remaining two birds, that is stilt bird and cormorants, in next episodes. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. Please support my channel. Thank you very much.